Assalamualaikum grade 4. Welcome to your English class. I hope that you all are fine. Kids, as you know that in our last class we have read about conjunctions, right? What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words, right? And what are the examples of conjunctions? But, so, when, and, or, etc. Right? We use these conjunctions to join two words. To join two sentences. Today we are going to read and learn about compound sentences. Okay, what is compound sentence? Compound sentence क्या होता है? A compound sentence is made up of two or more simple sentences joined with a conjunction. Notice that there are some key characteristics of a compound sentence. Okay, kids, compound sentence एक ऐसा सेंटेंस है जो कि टू सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को जॉइन करके या इकट्ठा करके मिला के एक सेंटेंस बनता है, उसे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कहते हैं. ओके, हम टू सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को कंजंक्शन की हेल्प से मिलाते हैं और वो जो फिर एक बिग सेंटेंस बन जाता है उसे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कहते हैं. ऑल राइट, we join two simple sentences with the help of a conjunction, and then the big sentence which will be formed is called compound sentence, right? So अब कंपाउंड सेंटेंस के क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं? इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सिंपल सेंटेंसेस. ओके, टू सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को मिला के ये बनेगा. एंड इट इज़ मेड व्हेन सिंपल सेंटेंसेस आर जॉइंड विद अ कंजंक्शन. वही बात आ गई, टू सिंपल सेंटेंसेस होंगे और वो टू सिंपल सेंटेंसेस किससे जुड़े हुए होंगे? कंजंक्शन से. ओके, तो वो एक सेंटेंस बन जाएगा बिग सेंटेंस, उसको कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कहेंगे. ओके, नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज of page number 5. Change the simple sentences into compound sentences. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको two sentences दिए हुए हैं. Okay, you have to change you have to convert these two sentences into one compound sentence. Okay, number 1, Sarah walked to class. And what is the second sentence? Kevin ran. अब आपने इन दोनों को एक सेंटेंस बनाना है किसी एक सूटेबल कंजंक्शन की हेल्प से. क्या बनेगा ये? थिंक अबाउट इट. सारा वॉक्ड टू क्लास बट केविन रैन. ओके, नंबर 2, I want burgers but Zan wants pizza. Number 3, the photographer held up a beer. The little boy smiled. Okay, अब हम इन दोनों सेंटेंसेस को किस तरह ज्वाइन करेंगे किड्स? हम कौन सी कंजंक्शन यूज़ करेंगे? The photographer held up a beer and the little boy smiled. All right, in the same way you will do page number 5. Now come to page number 6. Okay, here you have also joined two simple sentences with the help of a conjunction. Okay, here you have to use a comma and these and you have to select one suitable conjunction out of these three words. And what are the word out of these three conjunctions? And, but, so. Okay, so number 1, Mandy went to the winter fair. She came back early. Mandy went to the winter fair, but she came back early. All right. Number 2. Natalia wanted to choose vanilla ice cream. She could not decide it. How would you change it to convert into a compound sentence? Natalia wanted to choose vanilla ice cream, but she could not decide it. Okay, in the same way you will do number 3 and 4 as well. Now come to page number 7. Combine these pairs of sentences. यहाँ पे भी आपने वही करना है. मैं आपको फर्स्ट वन की एग्जांपल दे देती हूँ. We have to go to school. We must not be late. We have to go to school, so we must not be late. All right. Number 2, I wanted to read a story. My teacher said I had to read a poem. अब इसको किस तरह चेंज करेंगे? मैं इसको ऐसे चेंज करूँगी. I wanted to read a story, but my teacher said I had to read a poem. Okay, kids. In the same way, you have to complete these pair of sentences by using suitable conjunctions. Now come to page number 8. Complete the compound sentences. Okay, so kids, here you have to complete these compound sentences. Okay, these are incomplete sentences. आपको फर्स्ट सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है और कंजंक्शन भी साथ है, लेकिन जो सेकंड सेंटेंस है वो आप खुद इसमें लगा के कंपाउंड सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करेंगे. नंबर 1, द डोर इज़ लॉक्ड एंड डैश. व्हाट वुड यू राइट हियर? I will write the door is locked and I have the keys. Number 2, we can walk to school or dash. We can walk to school or we can travel by the car. Okay, now come to number 8, dash and I'll follow you. Okay, here you have to write a sentence, the first part of the compound sentence. Okay, for example, I'll write, you will lead and I will follow you. Okay. Number 9, I threw or I arranged a birthday party, but no one came in my home. All right. So in the same way, kids, you will do page number 5, 6, 7 and 8 carefully and neatly on your workbooks. I hope you understand. Take care, kids. Allah Hafiz.